Morning students, in previous class I had solved some problems from test paper 3. Now I am going to start a new chapter, cubes and cube roots. The product obtained of multiplying a number by 3 times is called the cube of that number. Thus the cube of a number is that natural number raised to power 3. The product obtained on multiplying a number 3 times is called the cube of that number. Thus the cube of a number is the natural number raised to power 3. Cube and perfect cube. Definition of cube. The product obtained on multiplying multiplying a number 3 times is called the cube of that number. Is called cube of that number. Thus the cube of a number is that natural number अथवा the cube of a number. Thus the cube of a number is that natural number The cube of a number is that natural number raised to power 2. Raised to power 2. Example. Example 2 into 2 into 2 बराबर 2 cube is equal to 8 hence cube of 2 is equal to 8 hence cube of cube of 2 is equal to 2 cube. Similarly 3 into 3 into 3 बराबर 27 hence cube of 3 is equal to 3 cube. Cube of 3 is equal to cube of 2 is equal to 3 cube of 3 is equal to 3 cube बराबर 8 बराबर 27. So the product obtained on multiplying a number 3 times is called cube of that number. Yeah, the cube of a number is that natural number raised to power 3. Now we are going to understand perfect cube. What is a perfect cube? A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. Perfect cube. perfect cube. perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube. Said to be a perfect cube. Said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of the cube of some natural number. Some natural number. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is a cube of some natural number. As for example, 64. 64 is a perfect cube because 64 is a cube of 4. And 125 is a perfect cube because it is a cube of natural number 5. And 207 is also a perfect cube because 216 is also called a perfect cube because it is a cube of 6. Similarly, 7, 8, 9, 10, 512, 729, 1000 are called perfect cube. Now, Hardy-Ramanujan number. Hardy-Ramanujan number which can be written as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. As for example, Hardy-Ramanujan number is a number Hardy-Ramanujan number a number which can be written as the sum of two different ways. Examples: 1729 is called a Ramanujan number because it can be written as 12q plus 1q. And similarly 4104, 13,832 are also Hardy-Ramanujan number. You know about Ramanujan was a great mathematician who discovered a number which is called Hardy-Ramanujan number. The example of Hardy-Ramanujan number are 729, 1729, 4104, 4104 and 13,832. 13,832. Yeah, is equal to 10q plus 9q. These numbers are called Ramanujan numbers because it can be written as the sum of two cubes. Sum of two cubes in different two ways. In different two ways. As 729 is equal to 12 cube plus 1 cube, अथवा 10 cube plus 9 cube. Similarly, 4,104 and 13,832 are called Ramanujan numbers. Now, I am going to solve some examples of exercise 4.1. Which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? Which of the numbers, example 1? Example 1. Which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? To find a perfect cube, some rules are necessary to find perfect cube. First of all, write down the given number as the product of prime factors. First rule is write down the given number as the product of prime factors, and the second rule, according to second rule, write same prime factors together. And in third step, now make groups of 3 equal prime factors. If no prime factor is left out after grouping, as in step 3, the number is a perfect cube, otherwise it is not a perfect cube. So first we have to find, first of all, 64. Example 1, 64. We have to show that 64 is a perfect cube or not. To find perfect cube, first of all, we find the product of prime factors. 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2. First number question, 16, 18, 18. In 16, 18 and 12. 16, 18, 12. 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 दूनी 4 में 8, into 2 into 2 into 2. I have said you, first of all, find the product of prime factors and make a group of 3. Make groups of 3 equal prime factors is equal to 2q into 3q. 2q into 3q, hence 2q into 2q. Hence 64 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. According to this rule, first of all, find the groups of prime factors and make groups of 3. Makes group of 3 equal prime factors. If it is not in group of 3 and if a number is left, then it will not be a perfect cube. Here 64 is arranging in a group of 2. We have 2q into 2q. Hence 64 is a perfect cube. Now example 2. Example 3. Example 2. We have to show that 10 64 80 10 64 80 10 64 80 10 64 80. It is a perfect cube. We are asked is 10 6 4 8 0 is a perfect cube. So first of all we find the given number as the product of prime factors. 10 6 4 8 0 10 6 4 8 0 6 4 8 0. के बारह कुछ के बारह हाँ 5 से 15 5 से 15 0 13 66 55 13 31 10 6 4 8 0 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 11 is equal to 2q into 2 into 5 into 11q. Here we see that on making triplet of equal prime factors 2 and 5 are left out, hence on making triplets of the given number of equal prime factors 2 and 5 are left out. 2 and 5 are left out. Hence 10 6 4 8 0 is not a perfect cube. Is not a perfect cube. So in this way you can find the numbers if it is a perfect cube. So in this way, similarly you can solve the given examples of this exercise, and after that in next class I will start exercise. Thank you.